everyone, I am Megan, also known as Megzy to the OG, and today I was just going to show you what I got in my FabFitFun Spring 2018 subscription box. If you would like to sign up for FabFitFun, then make sure you use my affiliate link below. This right here is the Spring 2018 FabFitFun subscription box. It's yellow, super cute. It's got all kinds of different girls doing different things on it. So I have not opened this box, but I am dying to get into it. So without further ado, let's open it up. As always, and like most subscription services, FabFitFun does include kind of like a newsletter in the form of a newspaper or magazine style. It's really cool, and every season they have a trip that you can enter, and it's always on the back of their newsletter. Alright, next they've sent over a HelloFresh gift card. This is for $50 off, $25 off your first 2 boxes and free ship. As always, it's always packaged up really cutely. They always put tissue paper over it so you can't see it. You have to break this seal that says share to win #FabFitFun. Lots of good stuff so far. These are really cute earrings. These are from Etika. It's spelled Ettika, and they are a company from Los Angeles, California. So these are the Ithaca or Ethica. I'm not too sure how to pronounce it, but these are those earrings. They're super cute and dangly. I really like that. And they are 18 karat gold plated. It says soak up the laid back vibes of LA, all while staying on top of the latest trends. Super cute. I'm probably gonna include these in my spring 2018 lookbook, so definitely keep your eyes out for that. I really need to do my nails, but if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I love lip colors. I love them so much. I feel like it just brings your whole look together whenever you have a really good statement lip. And right here, I got the Ish Lip Statement Palette. Ooh, there are some really nice colors in here. Love these colors. This is the #I'm Smokin' Hot palette. Next is a skin perfecting lotion, and this is to hydrate your skin. It's a 50 milliliter, 1.7 fluid ounce package. This is from Murad. Very interesting packaging. It doesn't have much of a scent, but it feels like a nice soft lotion. It's not super thick or anything like that, but it's definitely a nice like hand cream. I will be using that in the future. The next product that I have is the Dermalect Cosmetics Makeover Concealing Bridge Filler. This is 12 milliliters or 0.4 ounces. And this is a keratin peptide infused product. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm not going to try any out, but it says to apply 2 layers to your nails, and this will help with anti-aging ridge filling. I really need to do my nails soon, so that will come in handy. Next is something from KNC Beauty. This is like a little pouch that's got lips on it, but it's also kind of camo. Ooh, nice. These are all natural collagen infused lip masks. I've never tried these before, but they're supposed to condition, moisturize, plump, and hydrate your lips. And you just want to put these on before you apply lipstick or any kind of like lip color to your lips. Next is a product from Rachel Pally. This is a really cute Rachel Pally handbag. Or clutch, really, is what this is. I love the color pop. I love the orange and the yellow. This is super cute, and I've been carrying a lot of clutches recently. This is so cute. I really like this. This is perfect for spring. I'm gonna put it back in its dust bag so it stays protected. And that is from Rachel Pally. I was really excited about this because I saw this on their site. This is the Free People and Understated Leather Eye Mask. It's just got like cute little stars. It's leather on the front. It seems like it has like a gel insert. Oh yeah, and you could take it out and I'm sure you could heat it up or freeze it. Free People carries amazing products. I love all their cute things. This is from Number 1 Manhattan Beach. It says bergamot, musk, white jasmine, Brazilian soft woods, citrus, and heliotrope, Anderson lily. I've been needing some new candles. I love the copper rustic type of packaging and it smells amazing. Oh, that's awesome. Next, I got a Dove exfoliating body polish with crushed macadamia and rice milk. Sometimes FabFitFun sends you sample size products to try out from pretty large brands like Dove and Colgate, people like that. Okay, and last thing is a 57 Fizzy massage roller. Serious results, serious relief. I like this. This is gonna feel so good on my back. I love it already. So that was all that I have from FabFitFun. That's all I have left. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review. I loved all my products. It was a lot of fun to do. I really love doing these reviews for you guys. I love subscription boxes and letting you know what I got and what I liked about it. Everything in this box was great. I can't wait to burn my candle. I can't wait to use my massager. I can't wait to use my lip masks. Everything is gonna be really beneficial for me and I get everything for a fraction of the cost. So that's why I love FabFitFun, and if you want to sign up, again, you could use my affiliate link below. I'll be linking that in the description box. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure if you like this video, you give it a big thumbs up, and have a great day.